Hi, hello, welcome back to a new vlog from Amsterdam. It's day 2. I'm your Pallavi. So last night Shilpi Shraddha Tushar came from London and we are all staying at Rajiv's place in Amstelveen और अब हमें राजीव छोड़ रहा है bus stand because from there we are gonna go to the airport to pick up the car for our day trip क्योंकि हम 7 लोग हैं तो हमको 2 कार की ज़रूरत है. We are all set to celebrate Shraddha's birthday, my work trip and 2 days of non-stop fun. Let's start this vlog लेकिन उसके पहले if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button now. And do watch my last vlog which is all about a day trip to Zanzibar and Zaandam. The nearest pickup point in Amsterdam is Schiphol Airport, Netherlands Airport. एयरपोर्ट पे यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ कार रेंटल शॉप ऑप्शंस जहाँ पे आप हर्ट्स भी है, यूरोपा कार भी है, सिक्स्ड भी है. वी यूजुअली हायर आर कार्स फ्रॉम यूरोप कार बेसिकली. और वो थोड़ा सस्ता भी पड़ता है एंड कन्वीनियंट भी है. और सिक्स्ड हमने नॉर्वे में यूज़ किया था. We have booked a car from Europa Car. So we paid 90 euros for 2 days. Plus it's 20 euros extra because we are picking it up at 2 o'clock. So after 12 the second day starts and today we are going for a day trip from Amsterdam to one of the prettiest villages in Netherlands, that is Giethoorn, and we are really excited for that. So yesterday we explored Zaandam, iconic Lego city which they call Intel Hotel. After that we went to Amsterdam Central. We had our dinner and all that stuff, and then we went back to my friend's place where we are staying at Amstelveen. हम Central से घर पहुँचे almost around 10:30. We took a cab. Public transport takes a lot of time here because in London it's very easy. You have tube connection everywhere, but here you have to take metro and bus as a public transportation because metro is not connected everywhere. So आपको दोनों चीज़ें लेनी पड़ती है to commute in Amsterdam. I mean, of course, the public transport is cheaper and the cab is expensive.
सही है, और लेफ्ट लेना.
और लेफ्ट लेना. इसमें.
Next left.
अभी ये वाले लेन में रहना. Cool girl vibes. Amsterdam is famous for windmills. तो कल Zanzibar में I showed you guys the traditional windmill which is very popular, very touristy, and these are the normal windmills जो हम mostly everywhere we see. And then these are the cute pretty villages on the way. So April is basically the tulip season. मतलब 14th के आसपास से it starts mid April से mid May तक. On the way also we saw this tulip farms, but we are not going today here. We have some other plans with the tulip farms. And everywhere on our way दोनों side हमको सिर्फ tulips के बड़े farms दिख रहे थे. We have finally reached Giethoorn village. This village is very popular. It's prettiest villages in Netherlands and it is 1.5 hour drive from Amsterdam. Amstelveen, it is 1.5 hour drives. I think from Amsterdam Central it will be like 2 hours, 2.5 hours. By car it took us almost 1.5 hours to reach here without stoppage, and via public transport it was showing 2.5 hours. If you visit Amsterdam, you should definitely come to Giethoorn village and do this road trip. And on the way we saw lovely tulip farms on both the sides, and it was really beautiful. Male tulip farms. The drive was really nice. Now we are really looking forward to explore the village and do some boating. Giethoorn is very popular for the boating, and this is the only one boat rental shop from where you can hire the boat and move around the canals, explore the pretty towns, villages. We have rented the boat. We are 7, so it's a big boat, and the cost for entire boat is 85 euros. So when you arrive in Giethoorn village, you have to download the app, and then you can see the routes. There are like 4-5 routes. You can choose that which route you want to go, 1, 2, 3, 4. The most beautiful routes are 1 and 2, and route 1 is for 1 hour 30 minutes, route 2 is for 1 hour 40 minutes, and then route 3 is 2 hours something. So yeah, depending on your time and what you want to do, you can just choose your routes, and also it's a self-drive boat, so you have to drive yourself and you can just relax, enjoy and explore the Githun village.
वो शेयर करा है इसके वीडियो में भी आ गया होगा ये
Yeah.
देखो जैसे
From the app that you download, the Githun Village app, उससे आपको अपना रूट खुद फिगर आउट करना है, whatever route you choose. कनाल के साथ साथ यू ऑल्सो गेट टू ड्राइव एंड गो इन द ओपन वाटर. तो काफ़ी बड़ा लेक है ये, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा.
Happy birthday, Shad. Thank you.
From the boat rental shop, you take the canal. You choose route whatever you want to choose. As per our route, from canals हम open water में चले गए, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा open था, बहुत बड़ा था, डर भी लग रहा था. And then from there we are back to the prettiest village, which was route 1. तो ये सारे ऐसे कनाल्स हैं, दोनों साइड यू हैव विलेजेस. यू कैन ऑल्सो वॉक अराउंड दीज विलेजेस. तो इन विलेजेस में कोई गाड़ी नहीं होती है. सो बेसिकली घर इस साइड है, उस साइड रोड है. सो उधर से इधर इफ़ यू कम, यू कैन ओनली कम थ्रू ईदर बोट्स और यू कैन जस्ट टेक दीज ब्रिजेस टू मूव अराउंड. देर आर नो व्हीकल्स अलाउड इन दिस विलेज, मतलब दूसरे साइड में. एंड एक ऐसे ही ना आइलैंड टाइप का है, बिकॉज दिस साइड यू हैव कनाल, बीच में ये विलेज है, एंड द अदर साइड यू हैव दिस ओपन वाटर, पूरी बड़ी नदी है. I mean, look at this, guys. Isn't it pretty? It is absolutely very beautiful, very pretty. बहुत ही मतलब अलग सा लग रहा है. The village is so pretty, so cute. And also हम sunset के टाइम में आए हैं, so we really got to see both daylight and sunset वाला scene.
I like the I
This house is my favorite, I guess. This looks so pretty. After this boat ride, a very unfortunate incident happened. So basically हमारा जो ड्रोन है, हम यहाँ पे ड्रोन उड़ा रहे थे, एंड somehow वो पेड़ से टकरा के इसी कनाल में गिर गया, एंड आई लॉस्ट माई ड्रोन, आई लॉस्ट माई डेटा. सो इट वॉज अ हॉरिफिक इंसिडेंट. आई क्राइड लाइक हेल. वी ट्राइड टू सर्च, और यहाँ के जो विलेज के लोग थे उन्होंने भी बहुत हेल्प करी हमारी, लाइक सामान लेके कि नीचे से कुछ उठे, बट we couldn't find our drone. And yeah, I lost my drone, an expensive drone with my data. I cared more about data क्योंकि मेरा बहुत सारा डेटा था, बट ठीक है, अब क्या कर सकते हैं. never mind. I mean, जो होना था वो हो गया. बट here we were to celebrate श्रद्धा's birthday, and that's how घर पहुँचने के बाद मतलब मैं नॉर्मल हुई, एंड देन हम सब नॉर्मल हुए, एंड वी ड्रैग्ड श्रद्धा आउट लाइक 11 o'clock कि चलो एम्स्टरडैम में पार्टी करते हैं, बिकॉज एम्स्टरडैम पार्टी सीन इज़ क्रेज.
Vertical. कैसा लग रहा है?
What do you want to say?
Oh, I'm so thankful that I'm celebrating my birthday with you all. Thank you, Pallavi, for
जबरदस्ती
the
इसे
wonderful
उठाया गया है.
makeup.
जब से उठाया गया है
मैं बिस्तर से
Well,
इतनी story होती.
yeah, to this point, I would have just.
She must have been doing her classic Amsterdam thing, which is sleeping with herself.
But thanks to these lot that I am
Still
in the
awake.
taxi and I am going for clubbing. I'm gonna party all night now.
party all night. Okay.
From I want to come back in half an hour to party all night. Yeah.
That's a journey.
ऑलमोस्ट 4-5 घंटे पार्टी करने के बाद सेलिब्रेटिंग श्रद्धा's बर्थडे वी केम बैक होम टू एम्स्टलवीन अराउंड 4:35 in the morning and we took cabs both the sides. So one side cab was 60 euros and other side cab was 45 euros because ये रात का टाइम था. So yeah, it was a nice day trip to Githun village. Then मेरा ड्रोन खो गया which was very 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 extremely heartbreaking, but then I'm fine. Celebrated Shraddha's birthday and the day went fine. Really excited for tomorrow's day because tomorrow we are going to explore the whole of Amsterdam and also जो surprise work trip था जो मैंने आपको अपने first vlog में बताया था वो भी करेंगे हम. So yeah, very excited. Do let me know in the comment section अगर आपको कोई भी information चाहिए और if you need any help planning your Amsterdam trip. And I hope you guys like this video. अगर अच्छा लगा तो please do subscribe अगर subscribe नहीं किया है तो, and like, comment, share with friends and family. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys tomorrow in day 3 Amsterdam. Bye.